Hello, fellow nature enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of one of our most common, yet surprisingly complex, backyard visitors, the squirrel. You see them every day, but how much do you really know about these acrobatic fluffballs? Stick around, because you're about to become a squirrel expert. First, let's talk about their life cycle. A squirrel's journey from a tiny, helpless kit to a full-grown adult is remarkably fast. Depending on the species, like the common eastern grey squirrel, they can reach maturity in as little as 10 to 12 months. That's right, in just under a year, they're ready to start their own families. This quick turnaround is key to their survival and why their populations are so robust. And when it comes to families, squirrels are prolific. They typically have 2 breeding seasons a year, one in the late winter and another in midsummer. A female or a doe will give birth to a litter of about 2 to 5 babies, called kits or pups. These kits are born blind and completely dependent on their mother for the first 2 to 3 months. She's a supermom, diligently feeding them and teaching them essential squirrel skills like climbing, foraging, and of course, the art of the dramatic treetop leap. Now, let's get to the most important question. What's on the menu for a squirrel? You might think it's just acorns, but their diet is incredibly diverse. They are primarily herbivores and absolutely love nuts of all kinds. Acorns, walnuts, and hickory nuts are top-tier choices. This is why you often see them planting nuts. They're burying them to save for later, a behavior known as catching. Their spatial memory is so good they can often find these buried treasures months later, but they don't stop at nuts. Squirrels also enjoy a smorgasbord of seeds, especially sunflower seeds from your bird feeder. I'm sure many of you know that struggle. They also eat fruits, berries, and fungi. You might even be surprised to learn they'll nibble on plant buds and flowers. Occasionally, for extra protein, they might eat insects or even bird eggs, showcasing their opportunistic nature. They're basically tiny, furry foodies who are always on the lookout for their next delicious meal. So, why are squirrels so fascinating? It's their sheer intelligence and adaptability. Think about it. They've mastered navigating complex environments, from dense forests to bustling city parks. They can solve intricate puzzles, like those squirrel-proof bird feeders that never seem to work. Their persistence is legendary. They use their bushy tails for balance, communication, and even as a cozy blanket in the cold. Every flick and twitch of that tail is sending a message. They're not just cute. They are critical to the health of our forests. Through their catching behavior, they are one of nature's most effective tree planters. Many of the nuts they bury are forgotten, and these then have a chance to sprout and grow into new trees. So, the next time you see a squirrel digging a little hole, remember it might just be planting a future oak tree. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the secret lives of squirrels. They are so much more than just park residents. They are intelligent, resourceful survivors who play a vital role in our ecosystem. I hope you've learned something new and have a newfound appreciation for these amazing creatures. What's the funniest thing you've ever seen a squirrel do? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the wildlife around us, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.